The basics of using steam cleaners at home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Cleaning with steam is not only incredibly effective in some cases, but it is also considered eco-friendly and hygienic. Since there are numerous benefits to this type of home cleaning, you may even be tempted to purchase a steam cleaner for your place. That is a wise decision, as such a machine can boost your efforts in keeping your home in top shape. Steam cleaners are quite versatile in that they can sanitize different surfaces. As you weigh in the benefits, keep in mind the following basics of steam cleaning. There are two main types of steam cleaners. Typically, you can expect to choose between two types of steam cleaning machines, cool and dry. The cool steam cleaner makes steam without first having to boil the water. As a result, the steam produced this way contains more water. A dry steam cleaner makes its steam from boiling water. The steam is very hot and contains less water. Of the two types, dry steam cleaners are regarded as the more effective. However, you also need to consider if your machine is going to be handheld or upright. The former are usually less powerful tools, which must be refilled with water more frequently. The upside to handheld machines is that they are more affordable and more convenient for reaching narrow spaces. Why use a steam cleaner? Steam cleaning is good for your home for several reasons. Most notable is that it is a safe and eco-friendly method of sanitation because it involves no chemicals. Since steam evaporates rather quickly, surfaces dry a lot faster and can be used quickly after cleaning. Steam cleaning allows you to reach crevices and cracks that would otherwise remain untouched. Thanks to a steam cleaner, you can deal with wax, chewing gum and glue. Cleaning carpets, upholstery, curtains and mattresses. Cleaning those surfaces with a steam cleaner is perfect because all dust mites and allergens are removed. People suffering from allergies will appreciate this. In most cases, a dry steam cleaning machine with an upholstery attachment is to be used. When cleaning carpets, you should first test for color fastness on a small inconspicuous area first. It is recommended that you don't soak the fabric excessively but move the machine fast. Cleaning mirrors and glass. Cleaning such surfaces with steam is a great way to avoid streaks. You should use a dry steam cleaning machine with the appropriate attachment. Begin from the top and clean in stripes to the bottom. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Cleaning metal fixtures, tiles, and floors. These are all surfaces notorious for accumulating mold, fungus and germs. Naturally, this makes steam cleaning them the ideal choice. Steam is great for dealing with grout and other porous floor surfaces. It is best to use a dry steam cleaning machine for them and never apply too much pressure in one area for long. What items not to clean with steam? As good as it may be, steam cleaning is not recommended for cleaning all items. In that sense, avoid using it on cardboard and paper products. Delicate fabrics, like silk, for example, should also be skipped during your steam cleaning sessions. Don't use your steam cleaner on walls with water-based paint. As you can see, cleaning with steam has its benefits. Consider them all and incorporate this method into your home cleaning efforts to reap the benefits. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about 6 mistakes that can slow down your cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.